Hello everybody, and welcome to Maros Engineering. Today we're talking about pneumatic valves used for vacuum applications in industrial automation. These include automated handling, pneumatic conveying, packaging, plastic molding, thermoforming machines, and many more. Vacuum is a powerful but delicate resource. That's why choosing the right valve is essential to optimize the entire automation process. Take, for example, a vacuum gripping system. In this case, the valve that opens or closes the vacuum line must meet three key requirements. First of all, perfect airtight sealing to ensure safe handling of the units. Secondly, fast and precise switching to grip and release at exactly the right time. And finally, resistance to frequent opening and closing cycles. In these situations, Maros Engineering's piston valves, specifically designed for vacuum, are the ideal solution. Let's see why. In a piston valve, the shutter moves vertically and seals precisely against the seat, ensuring an optimal, airtight closure. The linear movement of the shutter also allows for very short switching times, which is a major advantage in fast-paced automation processes. In addition, Maros vacuum valves are equipped with elastomer seals. These special gaskets, combined with a specific design, ensure a perfect sealing, consistent performance, and a long lifespan, even with high-frequency cycles. In vacuum circuits, other kind of valves simply cannot deliver the same performance. Take a ball valve, for instance. The rotary motion it needs to open or close is slower than the linear motion of a piston valve. Plus, the repeated friction between the ball and the seals can damage the valve over time. This increases the risk of leakage and reduces the valve's durability, especially in systems with frequent cycles. Another key advantage of piston valves is the ease and speed of maintenance. Thanks to their design, the actuator can be removed quickly and easily, while the valve body remains connected to the system. On the other hand, ball valves must be fully removed to perform maintenance, resulting in longer machine downtime. That's why Maros recommends the use of piston valves for vacuum applications. These valves offer a long-lasting and reliable vacuum sealing, fast and precise actuation, and a long service life, even under demanding conditions. Maros Engineering offers a wide range of piston valves for vacuum control. You can download our full catalog on our website. And if you are working on a new automation system, just get in touch. We will help you find the best solution for your project.